I'm gonna kind of be giving you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes with our off-grid systems. And today I'm gonna be doing laundry. So I have to wash Selah's cloth diapers. Here I have 55-gallon drums of water. We don't have running water on the property, so we stow them in these drums, which we use for animals and laundry and dishes, etc. We have them, for now, they're stored outside, which isn't the greatest for our winter climate. So we fight against the possibility of these freezing, and they have, and sometimes they will. We're working on getting these inside, but we have a big old house addition that we're working on right now. And currently, we just do not have any extra space for a big old 55-gallon drum to sit in the house. Alright guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I do for washing our laundry, but more specifically, washing our cloth diapers. If you are new to our channel, we live off grid and we are slowly building a home, a homestead, farming, gardening, and family. So we have all balls rolling at the same time. Today, I am going to be showing you guys what we do for laundry. So prior to this point, we have had our Speed Queen, which is the laundry machine that I have right here outside. I had tried to fire this up outdoors the other day, and not really thinking, the motor didn't work because there was some frozen water in it. So right away, we kind of knew this wasn't going to be a system that was going to work outdoors for us. So I'm going to kind of just run you guys through the process of using the Speed Queen, for those who are wondering, and then also just in general the process that I go through for cleaning these cloth diapers. Because y'all know, diapers add up fast. This is full of Selah's dirty cloth diapers, and inside I have it soaking in water with some vinegar. This is probably about 3 days worth of diapers. You don't really want to let your diapers sit any longer than that. Prior to even putting the diapers here in this bucket soaking, of course, anytime she has a poop, you gotta clean it off. Slosh the diaper in a bucket or a toilet if you have a running toilet, whatever you can do, and I scrub it. So I put some soap on it and I just use this little scrub brush, and that will get most of the poop off the diaper. It actually works pretty well. And by doing that right away after she has a poop diaper, it typically keeps the diapers from staining. This Speed Queen is electric, so what's nice about this is once I get it going, plugged in, it'll just do its thing and I can just stop it at any point. Because we live off grid, we run this off of the generator. Alright, so this is the generator that we use. You might be wondering why we have this box around our generator, like this, all this crap just stuffed around. Well, because the weirdest thing. Hey. We've been finding very lethargic chickens, and when we find them, we're try to revive them, give them water, offer them food. We're like, what in the world is going on? Why does this keep occurring? Well, we finally solved the problem. So they're going up behind the exhaust by the generator for additional warmth. They like that all the soil is melted right there because the exhaust just melts the snow and keeps the soil warm. So they go and bed down, shove their face right in the exhaust for warmth. So once I am ready to get started, I'll just add in my water. However, before you dump in your water, I don't know if this is across the board with Speed Queens. With this hose system here, you want to make sure it's not just on the floor when you pour your water in, because all your water will just come right out the bottom and onto the floor. So I like to just add in a little bit of water here before I start adding in the diapers. I will add in the remaining of the water that I need. That way I'm not adding a large excess or way more than I need. So one thing with the laundry soap that you use, especially I would say for your closet diapers, is you might have to shop the market a little bit if your baby's bottom is getting a little agitated from the soap. But we've just gone with the natural soap and we haven't had any problems with her, so we lucked out with that. Okay, so this Speed Queen here has a wringer portion, which is so super nice for when you are done with your laundry. But with the cloth diapers, I will actually wring them out before I put them through and into the washer machine, just because these diapers are saturated in dirty water. Essentially, they've been sitting in this dirty water for a couple days, so I'm gonna run it through the wringer just to wring out any of that dirty water before I add it into my clean water in this washer machine.
So I'm getting some bacon grease. This is the rotator. So let's see if some old-fashioned grease buys you some sound reduction. Probably has to take that apart to get to like the meat of it. Got it's in there.
Okay. What do you think, Sailor? What's your think?
No.
Well, if it's not internal, that'll do it. I kind of doubted that. It's probably internal. Is it? Oh, is it? You got it?
No. There you go.
And then when you turn this on, it squeaks. Did that make it worse?
Alright guys, so I've had this running for around 20 to 30 minutes. So now what I need to do is wring out all of my cloth diapers here and drain the water and put in fresh water, which will be then a rinse cycle. So, and bear with me, this Wringer portion is so loud, so squeaky, it needs some grease. We tried to grease it, but we didn't exactly nail down where the loud noise is coming from. So we'll probably have to dismantle that to figure that out. I'll play you guys some music in replacement of this squeaky Wringer, so you guys don't have to go through the misery of listening to it. Now that I have all of my cloth diapers out of here. I need to drain this water and replenish it with some fresh water. So for this, I'm gonna just take the hose here. Let's see here. I'm going to just take the hose and lower it into this bucket, and that will immediately start the draining process for this dirty water. And then occasionally you will have to check underneath here to make sure you don't have any that got stuck underneath the agitator. And here there actually is a couple. So I'll just wring them out by hand.